Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the inversion of control principle. In fact, what is the inversion of control principle, abbreviated IOC? Inversion of control principle, as I say, is a principle. Although some people consider it as a design pattern, it's not a design pattern, it is a principle. As the name suggests, it is the inversion of control. So, at a certain point, a program gives the responsibility to another program to continue the control. Here, the control is about any responsibility that a class or application can fulfill apart from its main responsibilities. Example of responsibility here is the flow of application, the flow of object creation, or the flow of dependent object creation and binding. The aim of the IOC is to create loosely coupled applications, which leads to the advantages such as it makes the application testable, maintainable, and extensible. So let's jump into our PowerPoint and see. Here we say IOC is a principle in software engineering which transfers the control of objects or portion of program to a container or framework. So here, the transfer of the control of object or portion of a program is made to a container or a framework. And we add, it enables a framework to take control of the flow of a program and make calls to our custom code. As any technology, it presents some pros and cons, and our main focus here is on the advantages of the IOC. The first advantage is it helps to decouple the execution of a task from its implementation. So, we can execute a task without knowing how it has been implemented, and that is a great advantage. Another advantage is it makes it easier to switch between different implementations. Yes, it helps to have many instances and choose the one that we want to use. Another advantage is the greater modularity of a program. With this approach, it leads to components. And when we talk about components, it means we can take one component and replace it with another. Another advantage is the greater ease in testing a program. It might be by isolating a component or mocking its dependencies and allowing components to communicate through contracts or interfaces. So these are the main advantages of the inversion of control. Now we are going to see some implementation of the IOC. We have some mechanisms which implement the IOC, and they are mainly known as design patterns. And here we are going to list some design patterns that implement the IOC principle. Our first design pattern is the strategy design pattern. Next to it, we have the service locator pattern. After that, we have the factory pattern. And at the last position, we have the dependency injection pattern. All these patterns are the implementation of the IOC. But in the next video, we are going to focus on the dependency injection, which is the design pattern mostly used in the Spring framework. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.